welcome once again to my guitar tutorial. This is the day 10 of our 14 days guitar lessons for beginners that is scheduled and programmed to make you to learn how to play all the major and the minor chords of the guitar in 14 days. Thank you for leading up to this day. And if you are new to this channel, I am Barto, and in this video I am going to show you how to play one out of the 7 minor chords. And that is precisely key G minor. We have already learned key C minor and key F minor. We learned that F minor yesterday was played or should be played this way. And this is related to the one we are going to play today. We just shift all your fingers just this way. From number 1, just place your finger number 1 to where finger number 3 and 4 are, and then the other one just is a complete move this way. So remember how we do that. This your finger, which used to cover all the string in the face behind the first fret, we now cover all the string behind the 3rd fret, and then your finger number 2 is free. Finger number 3 we hold the string number 5 behind now the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 behind the 5th fret. It was before in 3rd fret for F minor, but this one now 2 semitones off behind the 5th fret, and then also your pinky will also be behind the 5th fret, but now on the 3rd string. So when you have it this way, we play all of them. So that was actually what I used to play, the short interlude that I played at the introduction of this. I played this first one, and I shifted it this way, and then I played the C major, and I played the C major again. Then I'm going to play it again the same way I played it before. That is what we are learning today. That is G minor. Then I'm going to play F. So I believe you have learned something today. Let's revise how we get it. This here, finger number 1 is going to hold all the strings all the way up from number 1 to 6 behind the 3rd fret, and then finger number 2 is free. Finger number 3 we hold the string number 5 behind the 5th fret. The same way behind the 5th fret also, the finger number 4 we now hold the string number 4. We strum from the up down to the bottom. You just say shift up from the F minor, which we learned yesterday, which means you can actually move them. I want you to practice this as much time as possible so that you'll be able to master it well. Alright, we are going to stop here for this key. I believe you have learned something today. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon. And remember that we have a chord diagram both for the major keys and the minor keys that we have learned or we are learning for these 14 days. It is in the description of this video. Just go there and click on it. You'll be able to download it to your system. Alright, okay, see you next time, and have a wonderful day ahead.